Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Netgear WGR64 router, the later versions of it. The reason I made this video, even though the reset button is right there, is because on different versions, the button can actually be kind of hard to see because it's camouflaged in these vent holes of the back of the router. So it's, if you have the antenna here, just to the left of the antenna, and depending on the version, these holes can present themselves a little bit differently, but that's where you'll have the reset button. So all you need to do is come in with like a paper clip or a pin or one of those SIM card ejectors, iPhone SIM card ejectors, and just press and hold this button for about 10 seconds. And that will force the router to go into a reset mode. Now, all the settings and everything will be forgotten. And you will need to reconnect the router to whatever you had it connected to before, because the router will be, once you do that reset, it will be like it was, when it came out of the box. It will be hard reset.